The 2023 Kia Niro EV, a second-generation electric crossover, has been unveiled with a starting MSRP of $39,450. It comes in two trim levels, Niro EV Wind and Niro EV Wave, both featuring standard collision avoidance, driver assist features, and high-quality in-vehicle technology. Prices for the two trims are as follows. Niro EV Wind, $39,450, and Niro EV Wave, $44,450. The 2023 Niro EV boasts a striking design inspired by Kia's Opposites United philosophy, blending nature and aerodynamic sophistication. With a slightly larger footprint than its predecessor, the new Niro EV features premium materials, such as biopolyurethane and Tencel seats made from eucalyptus leaves, and a recycled wallpaper headliner. Equipped with a 65 kilowatt-hour battery and a 201 horsepower motor, the Niro EV offers a 253-mile EPA-estimated electric range. When connected to a level 3 fast charger, it can recharge from 10 to 80% in under 45 minutes at a maximum charging capability of 85 kilowatts. Both trims can be upgraded with the Preserve package for added cold weather readiness, including heated rear seats and a heat pump. Standard driver assist features include blind spot collision avoidance with rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, forward collision avoidance, assist with pedestrian detection and junction turning, and lane following assist. The 2023 Niro EV showcases a bold exterior design, influenced by the 2019 Habanero concept, with an impressive drag coefficient of 0.29. It features distinctive daytime running lights and Kia's signature Tiger nose grille, while the rear is adorned with boomerang-shaped LED taillights and an aerodynamic styling combination. The Niro EV is distinguished by steel gray or black exterior trim, depending on the body color. Inside, the Niro EV offers a stylish, tech-focused cabin with upscale touches and sustainable materials. The avant-garde interior features dual 10.25-inch screens for the instrument cluster and infotainment system, ambient mood lighting, and an optional 8-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. The seats offer USB ports with optional seat memory positions available in some variants. The 2023 Niro EV offers best-in-class passenger space and a larger cargo capacity of 22.8 cubic feet, thanks to improvements in interior packaging. The vehicle is equipped with advanced vehicle technology, including a head-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless phone charger, and cutting-edge advanced driver assistance systems. Kia Connect, accessible in-car or through the Kia Access app, is standard on Niro EV, offering features like digital key, over-the-air updates, stolen vehicle recovery and immobilization, smart speaker integration, and more. The intelligent regenerative braking system optimizes energy recuperation, maximizing driving range and facilitating a smooth driving experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,